If you haven't already done so, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Hi, I'm Christina.
And I'm Randy. Are you ready for an adventure?
Come see our journey today.
And we will visit some of the Pretty Woman locations that were filmed right in the heart of Hollywood. In this adventure, we're looking at 3 locations for the filming of Pretty Woman. Using the Dolby Theater or the Hollywood Chinese Theater as a reference point, we walk 0.4 miles or 11 minutes to the Las Palmas Hotel. Then from the Las Palmas, we walk a bit further to the Bob Hope Star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, located on the south side of Hollywood Boulevard. Then a bit further, we see where the driving scene when they drove away from Hollywood took place. From there, we go another couple of blocks and then north to the location of the homeless guy that gave directions. They call him the tour director. The house is no longer there, but we were able to locate the wall where the house was so that we know that we were in exactly the right location. Pretty Woman is a 1990 American romantic comedy film directed by Gary Marshall. It stars Richard Gere as Edward Lewis, Julia Roberts as Vivian Ward, Laura San Giacomo as Kit LaDuca, and of course Gary Marshall, who also played the homeless guy. There are many other great people that were in Pretty Woman, but for these locations, these will be our stars.
There you go. That's the Las Palmas Hotel, where Pretty Woman was filmed, and at the end, Julia Roberts, aka Vivian, was coming down the stairs to meet her Prince Charming, which was Richard Gere and his limo with the flowers. Very cool. Of course, the big apartment building wasn't there. There was a big tree. But things change, but this is the building. Very cool.
Near the end of Pretty Woman, the First Baptist Church of Hollywood can be seen in the background as the limo pulls up. Edward reluctantly climbs the fire escape, which is very visible on the outside of the building. Edward and Vivian exchange kisses as the movie comes to a close, with the happy man crossing the street and exclaiming, "This is Hollywood, land of dreams." A big tree on the right-hand side, and this big building next to it on the right-hand side wasn't there. But this is definitely the window. The window at the top of the fire escape is where Kit and Vivian had a room overlooking Hollywood.
I thought it was more on a corner.
No, this is it. Hollywood, land of dreams. From the balcony up there, now the ladder and the framework over the door are exactly the same as they were. And there was a tree over here. And then that big building wasn't there. But this is
The apartment.
the apartment of
Vivian.
from Pretty Woman.
Yes.
Right. And that's where it's the Las Palmas Hotel. The Las Palmas Hotel is said to be a 3-star hotel, and you can rent rooms for about $90 a night. This is what dreams are made of. Here we give you another look at the First Baptist Church in the distance, so you can see that we lined up the shots. Welcome to Hollywood. What's your dream? Everybody comes to it. This is Hollywood, land of dreams. Some dreams come true, some don't. But this is Hollywood. Always time to dream. So keep on dreaming.
Well, Vivian and me, we work Bob Hope, we work the Ritz Brothers, we work Fred Astaire, we work all the way down to Ella Fitzgerald.
Now we've moved over to Bob Hope's Star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, which is referenced as their area in the movie. And here's Fred Astaire. From Bob Hope to Fred Astaire.
Well, Vivian and me, we work Bob Hope, We work the Ritz Brothers, we work Fred Astaire, we work all the way down to Ella Fitzgerald.
The store has changed and the storefronts have changed, but the star placements don't move. So referencing Bob Hope and Fred Astaire makes it an easy find.
Well, Vivian and me, we work Bob Hope, we work the Ritz Brothers, we work Fred Astaire, we work all the way down to Ella Fitzgerald.
Our next location is a fairly simple one, as it's only about 20 feet away from the Bob Hope star scene.
Lights. Lights would be good here.
Vivian gets in the car with Edward, and they drive off down Hollywood Boulevard.
Change for 20. Lights. Lights would be good here.
There we go. There we are in Hollywood. Land of dreams. See?
Cool Taco Bell.
Oh yeah, that is a cool Taco Bell.
It's a cantina.
Oh, that means they have alcohol. Better drinks. Hollywood Happy Land. Oh, looks closed. We're walking down the street.
3 t-shirts for $10. There you go. You can't beat
Oh
that.
yeah, I can't beat that. 3 t-shirts, $9.99. See, they've got the open tour buses. So yeah, Hollywood. They'll take you. They're doing a lot of construction.
He didn't listen. He said that he threw his feet in.
What's that? This is the king of margaritas, Mr. Tempo. That was interesting.
Did you see the thing that they were drinking?
Did I see what?
They were drinking the rounds of shots or whatever. Tequila.
Oh,
6 for $10.
yeah.
So I'm taking this picture assuming that there used to be a house right here, and the house has been taken down, and there's a gate, and this is where Pretty Woman, the homeless guy, was.
Excuse me,
Can you tell me how to get to Beverly Hills?
you're here. That's Sylvester Stallone's house right there.
Thank you.
At this location, Gary Marshall plays a bum, as he called it, or we call it the homeless guy, and he tells Edward he's in Beverly Hills.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to Beverly Hills?
You're here. That's Sylvester Stallone's house right there.
Thank you.
Wrap up our viewing of the Pretty Woman locations with a look from the Ovation shopping mall at the Hollywood sign. I don't know
Well,
where it
it will be right.
is. It's
right
there.
there.
It's there somewhere.
Yeah. Here, flip it around.
Before we end this video, we want to return briefly to the Las Palmas Hotel. Before its rom-com debut, the building allegedly played a bit of a role in one of the grisliest murders in history. In the 1940s, this building served as the home away from home for aspiring actors and actresses. One of those actresses was a woman by the name of Elizabeth Short. She did what she could to pay the bills, and some people say she did a bit too much. She was a regular in many of the Hollywood bars, and it gained her the nickname the Black Dahlia, and that was due to her reputation of wearing sheer black clothes. Elizabeth would never achieve the film career she hoped for, finally achieve a certain kind of fame. Her life ended in a most tragic and macabre way. Her mutilated body was found in a vacant lot off Santa Monica and Crenshaw Boulevard, the morning of January 15th, 1947. Her body had been cut in half. Her mouth was sliced into a permanent grin, almost like the Joker. Her killer was never found, and hers became one of the most famous stories in true crime history. If you enjoyed our vlog, please subscribe
Ring the notification bell.
and give us a like. It lets us know you care.
We'll see you on the next one.
Bye.